recording?
Yep.
Hey, good,
This
good,
is Daddy's plane trying to fly.
It already flew once.
And the wing is kind of bent.
But we put some tape on it.
And there it goes.
And watch how much it turns. See, it turns so fast.
So you can see it is far away.
Not that far away. Just looks like it in the camera.
And it's flying experimental
And
aircraft number
I-
CONY1.
Is that what you're calling it?
And I got
Call it the Spock 1.
Yeah, call it the Spock 1. Yeah, get up closer.
As you see, it is...
As you see, there's a flying soccer ball.
It's windy, but it's still flying.
The moon is in the picture. Man, everything's small in this camera.
Does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop?
It took me about 500 licks.
Let's see. 1.
To 500.
Crunch. 1. The world may never know how many weeks it gets to the center of a Tootsie Pop. So that's all for today's show. Thank you. And make sure you put this in the Guinness World Records book.
It won't.
Guinness, don't care. Okay, but Aaron, we should do a YouTube video where you're licking a lollipop and it's like 1, 2, 3. See how many licks it is. And then it's like 539, 540, 541. 1,000,001, 1,000,002, 1,000,003. That'd be funny. Am I in there? Hi, my name is Logan. Hello, people of the world.
And the batteries are now going dead.
Uh-oh, somebody's gonna crash a plane.
I must get it. Noah must get it.
I must get the plane.
I must get the plane. Noah.
I must get the plane.
Jump off.
I must get the plane. Noah must get the plane.
Okay, you go.
As you see, there are 2 juvenile delinquents jumping in front of the camera.
Fly, okay.
Whee!
Try to fly it.
Yeah, you want me to pause it?